How comfortable would you say you are with asking questions? It turns out that many people are uncomfortable articulating their curiosity, especially in work environments. Dr. Diane Hamilton is a behavioral science researcher on curiosity in the workplace. Her research found that there are 4 factors which inhibit curiosity in the workplace: fear, assumptions, that voice in our heads, technology, and the environment. I believe this discomfort also stems from being what I call question shamed. Either at some point in school or on the job, we may have experienced people laughing or ignoring us when we dared to raise our hand and ask a question. But the thing is, curiosity is fundamental to building a creative capacity. A report by the software firm SAS shares the following statistics about how managers view curiosity in the workplace. 72% of managers believe that curiosity is a very valuable trait in employees. 51% of those managers strongly agree that curiosity has become much more important over time. 56% believe that curiosity drives real business impact. And 51% believe that employees who have more curiosity are higher performers. Here's the thing. Questions are fundamental to spur creative thinking. And it turns out that we perform better on the job when we're curious. Some of my favorite questions that spark creative thinking include, what if? Why? I wonder what would happen if, or how might we? These are divergent questions because they lead to broad and expansive thinking. Here's an exercise for your team. Hold weekly wonder sprints. A wonder sprint is when your team does an exploratory deep dive into an audacious question. A great question prompt for a wonder sprint is, what if? Design your wonder sprints as short as 15 minutes or as long as a half day. Choose an interesting prompt. For example, what if we partnered with our biggest competitor? Or you could collect cool what if questions from your team and get greater buy-in to the process. Tap into those divergent questions and suspend judgment along the way.